Near-field communication, or NFC, is becoming more of a reality on smartphones in the UK and Europe, and the Sony Xperia S is one of the latest devices to embrace NFC. But they've gone one step further at Sony and developed these, the Xperia NFC SmartTags. And what they are small tags that you can scan with your phone, which tell your device to do something specifically based on something that you've programmed. So we've got one of the SmartTags here. It's about the size of a 2p coin, and it's been programmed. And if we switch on the Xperia S, we need to go into settings and make sure that our NFC is switched on. So under wireless and networks, we can switch on NFC. And what happens is when we get within about a centimetre of this SmartTag, the device vibrates, and you'll see on screen that it's completing several tasks. So I've asked it to start my Gmail application as one of the tasks it does. So the concept is that it can automate or schedule certain tasks for you throughout the day. All you've got to do is just simply scan it across the tag to make it actually happen. So for example, if you get in the car, you could program this to switch on your GPS. If you were going to bed, you may scan your phone past it to enable an alarm or switch off notifications. And these smart tags work with any NFC enabled device. They just have to have the appropriate application, which we will go to now. So if you download Liveware Manager, you've got at the bottom of it something called SmartTags, and it's here that you can configure your tags. So if I click Home, which is the tag that I've just scanned, I can change what it does. So I can cancel off what it currently does, and I can add an action. So for example, I could get it to switch on Bluetooth. I could get it to start the alarm application, and I could ask it to set a different wallpaper. I can also edit the name here, so it's called Home at the moment, we'll stick with that, but you get the idea. So next time I scan my phone past this NFC tag, it will switch on the Bluetooth, it will start the alarm, and it will change the wallpaper. Now I'm within about 5 centimetres here, but nothing's being activated. So if I now scan, it's switching Bluetooth on, it's making the changes, opened up the alarm application, and it's changed my wallpaper. So if I come out of the alarm, I can go back home and see that my wallpaper has now changed. I then go back into the Liveware Manager, and I can edit the tag as I choose again. So I can now set it to do different wallpaper. Scan it again, comes up on screen to tell you what it's doing, and there it is. So that is the SmartTag demonstrated with the Sony Xperia S, and whilst it may not seem much, it's a very powerful solution to your everyday tasks. Just think about things that you do regularly, whether it be changing sounds, changing a background, switching something on or off at different times of the day in different locations. It's a great solution and something that I think a lot of people will adopt and find really useful over time.